They say that this perfume is a dupe for Amouage Guidance. Now, I haven't smelled Amouage Guidance, but I can tell you this is a very strange perfume on its own. Amouage fragrances are very niche and expensive, and honestly, once I smell them, I will be obsessed with them. I know myself. And when it comes to fragrances, I will not see the budget, I will buy it, and this is why I refrain myself from buying expensive fragrance. But then Mahab by Nusuk is apparently a dupe for Amouage by Guidance. It's a strange perfume on its own. When I was a kid, I used to drink this drink called Kokam Sharbat, and we usually drink this during summertime. Now, kokum is a very sour fruit, okay? And this one reminds me of that. Kokum with cumin. Kokum is a fruit that comes from the family of mangosteen fruit. Now, mangosteen is from Southeast Asia and it's more sweet, while kokum on its own is quite sour. So it's used in curries and in food to spice things up, just to add a flavor to your. But they also make this amazing drink called kokum sharbat with a lot of cumin in it. Now, this fragrance is supposed to have top notes of red fruits and fennel. I don't get fennel, but I get cumin. However, the red fruit is what I think is either kokum or mangosteen or something of that family, which is quite sour in my opinion. So I'm not a huge fan of the opening, but the dry down is pretty nice. So I'm just going to spray to refresh my memory. Yeah, it has that very raw fruit smell that I get. Now, top notes do have incense in it. I don't get the incense smokiness. Neither do I get the creaminess of jasmine and rose. So if you've had kokum, if you've grown up in like western coastal region of India, you will know what exactly I'm talking about because it's a fruit that we predominantly use in our cuisine. So yeah, whenever I smell this fragrance, I don't get any sort of like floral hints in it. It's supposed to have peach and florals as well in it, but I don't get that. I directly go into this sandalwood base, which is very nice. So if you have smelled Versace Crystal Noir and you're familiar with that sandalwood base that comes, that's exactly how the sandalwood base of this perfume is. And that's why I really like the dry down of this fragrance. The top notes for this fragrance are incense, red fruits and fennel, middle notes of osmanthus, peach and jasmine, and base notes of sandalwood, rose and musk. To my nose, like I said, it's just red fruits. The fennel, rather than fennel, it's more like cumin. Well, the fennel is more aromatic in my opinion. And over cumin and fennel, I prefer fennel obviously, but then I don't get the fennel smell. And I would really like to get that real fennel smell. Now, having said all of this sample which I got is about a month old. So it probably needs a bit more of maceration to really appreciate this fragrance. When this perfume first launched, I was very excited for this fragrance because all the creators on YouTube were like, this is exactly like Amouage Guidance. And I was like, okay, I want Amouage Guidance on a budget, obviously, and I was going to blind buy it. And I'm so thankful that I got the samples because this is definitely not an easy blind buy. This fragrance is a bit of an acquired taste.